Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to take a deep dive into the captivating story of how Starbucks, a humble coffee shop in Seattle, became a global phenomenon. Join us as we explore the journey of how Starbucks became so popular. Starbucks, a name that's synonymous with coffee and a symbol of cafe culture, had very humble beginnings. What started as a small coffee shop in Seattle, Washington, in 1971, has grown into a global coffee empire. But how did it happen? The roots of Starbucks. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of Starbucks' rise to fame, let's take a look at its origins. The story of Starbucks begins with three friends, Jerry Baldwin, Zave Segal, and Gordon Boker, who shared a passion for coffee. The inspiration. Inspired by the coffee culture of Europe, they opened the very first Starbucks store in Seattle's historic Pike Place market. Their vision was to bring the rich, European coffee experience to the United States. The Coffee Revolution. In the early 70s, the coffee landscape in the United States was quite different from what we know today. Most Americans were accustomed to instant coffee, and the idea of savoring a handcrafted espresso or latte was a foreign concept. The arrival of Howard Schultz. The turning point in Starbucks history came in the 1980s when Howard Schultz, a visionary entrepreneur, joined the company. Schultz had a transformative idea to create a space where customers could not only enjoy a great cup of coffee but also linger, work, and connect with others. The creation of the coffee house experience. Schultz believed in the power of the third place, a space between home and work where people could relax and socialize. He envisioned Starbucks as a community hub, and this idea would change the way we perceive coffee shops. Expansion and the Starbucks Mermaid. Under Schultz's leadership, Starbucks began its journey of expansion. The iconic Starbucks Mermaid logo, inspired by a 16th-century Norse woodcut, became the symbol of the brand. It represented the allure and mystique of coffee from around the world. The coffee variety. Starbucks wasn't just about coffee, it was about choice. The company offered a wide variety of coffee blends and flavors, ensuring that every customer could find their perfect cup. This approach was a departure from the one-size-fits-all coffee culture of the past. The Starbucks culture. What truly set Starbucks apart was the creation of a unique cafe culture. The inviting atmosphere, comfortable seating, and free Wi-Fi were all part of the Starbucks experience. It wasn't just a place to grab a coffee, it was a destination. The third place. Starbucks' commitment to creating the third place was evident through its expansion of stores. Customers flocked to Starbucks locations not only for coffee but also to work, study, or socialize. It became a cornerstone of communities. The specialty coffee movement. Starbucks was at the forefront of the specialty coffee movement. The company sourced high-quality beans from around the world, practiced ethical and sustainable sourcing, and trained its baristas to create the perfect coffee experience. The secret menu. The secret menu at Starbucks became a sensation. With countless customization options, customers could create their own unique coffee and espresso concoctions. This personalization was an essential part of the Starbucks appeal. The expansion into food. To complement its coffee offerings, Starbucks expanded into food. From sandwiches and pastries to fresh salads and breakfast items, Starbucks provided a complete dining experience for its customers. The Starbucks Loyalty Program. In 2001, Starbucks introduced the Starbucks Card, which later evolved into the Starbucks Rewards Program. This innovative approach to customer loyalty rewarded frequent visitors with free drinks, discounts, and exclusive offers. International expansion. Starbucks' expansion wasn't limited to the United States. The company ventured into international markets, bringing its unique coffee culture to cities around the world. Starbucks was no longer just a Seattle coffee shop. It was a global phenomenon. The technology advancements. Embracing technology, Starbucks introduced the Starbucks mobile app, allowing customers to order ahead, pay with their smartphones, and earn rewards. This integration of technology with the cafe experience kept Starbucks at the forefront of innovation. Starbucks' social responsibility. Starbucks demonstrated a commitment to social responsibility by launching initiatives such as ethical sourcing, community engagement, and environmental sustainability. This approach resonated with customers who wanted to support a brand with a conscience. The Starbucks cultural impact. Beyond coffee, Starbucks became a cultural phenomenon. It influenced art, music, and even language. Phrases like venti, frappuccino, and grande became part of everyday vocabulary. The evolution of the mermaid. The Starbucks mermaid continued to evolve, reflecting the brand's adaptability and the changing times. It symbolized not just coffee but also progress, transformation, and an ever-evolving experience. Today, Starbucks stands as a testament to the power of vision, innovation, and a deep understanding of what customers desire. It's a brand that redefined the coffee industry and created a new kind of gathering place. Starbucks continued to innovate with the opening of the Starbucks Reserve Roastery locations, offering an even more immersive and exclusive coffee experience. These locations pushed the boundaries of coffee craftsmanship. In conclusion, the story of how Starbucks became so popular is a tale of passion, innovation, and the creation of a unique coffee culture. Starbucks transformed the way we perceive and experience coffee, leaving an indelible mark on the world of cafes and changing the way we connect over a cup of coffee. If you found this exploration of Starbucks' journey intriguing, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more captivating stories of success, innovation, and culture. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.